I'm making a little transformer. It's supposed to be a vehicle, but it turned out having to be a box. No. Let's get the transformer. Okay, so this is him in his little box form. Top, front, back, side, handle, front, back, side, top, and bottom. As you can see, there are little thrusters on it. Now, all you need to do for the legs is pop these out. Well, hold on. I'm going to put them back in. Hello, again. Yeah, gotta do, I think this is actually darker, but these front flaps are actually two separate flaps. Open up. Position them like that for running. Now the arms. There's those little conditioner dish things. They're also flaps. Pop them up. Ooh, until it's like that. You can turn it to a side. The little vents, and raise them up so they're like that. And then there's the head. So here's our finished picture. Little arms flapped up. Little head flapped. His head flapped up, his arms, his legs, and his body. Yeah, it was supposed to be a van, but it turned out not being one because I couldn't fit on wheels, and it looked nothing like a van. So I just made it a little hovering box with handles, like one of those miniature Decepticons. They're small and turn them into radios, boxes, and stuff, handles. The arms, be careful of because they don't attach very well because they're on stud friction. They're loose. Stud friction is when pieces are like loose. So you can just stick them up like this really quickly. But when they're not, like this. Like that slow when it's still. You guys like my new ring? It's got this balls on it. And just got it today. Anyways.